Hey guys, it's Davin here at brewbits.com with this week's product of the week. But as always, before I go into that, just remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you can see all our other videos that are coming up and all our other products of the week. So, nice and easy, this week's product of the week is the New Zealand Mangrove Jack's Brewer Series Pilsner. Really easy kit to brew up. You'll need to add some sugar to it, or we recommend adding a kilo of beer enhancer, and then you'll get a really cracking, refreshing, crisp Pilsner at the end of about 7 days of fermenting. Pop it in some bottles. 2 weeks later, it'll be nice and fizzy. Pop one in the fridge, open it up, and you can have it on a gorgeous hot summer's day. It's not a gorgeous hot summer's day, surprisingly, at the moment. It's the end of July, but the weather forecasters are saying the heat waves are coming back. So this is a great time now to brew this beer kit up. And if you use the code, back to me a second, James, if you use the code POTW, you're going to get 10% off this beer kit until midnight on Sunday. So 10% off this Mangrove Jack's Brewer Series Pilsner kit with the code POTW ends on Sunday.